Hello, Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Dr. Nida Sheikh from Dento Magic. If you are new here, then welcome. If you are already been a Dento Magic family, then welcome back. In today's video, I will be giving you the complete information about the process of application of dental hygienist and dental therapist. Before jumping into the video, if you are interested in such videos, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button and be the Dental Magic family. This registration will help you to work in UK as a dental hygienist and dental therapist or any other dental care professional. So the first thing is to check your eligibility. Answer some question to the route of registration. The link is present in the description box below, so you can go and check it out. Now moving forward, the first thing is that go on the GDC website, and the first and the foremost thing is that you have to fill your DCP, that is Dental Care Professional Performer, and for your assistance I have given the link in the description box below, so you can go and check it out. And it is very simple as it includes your personal details, and one of the best thing in this is that you can choose more than one role for yourself. Yes, isn't it great? Does it sound like a melody to your ears? Once your performa is completed, you will submit it to GDC, and then GDC will review it. Once it is reviewed, GDC will send you an email that will include the pack of 4 to 5 attachments. And here is a small disclaimer for you to remember it. The application form has a guidelines at the end of the form, so it is very important for you to read it carefully, as it will make your work very easier and to complete your form successfully. So it is very important for you to read that guidelines which are given at the end of the application form. So this guideline will include how to fill the form, what are the documents that you'll be needing to attach along this form. So completing this form will be pretty easy, and as it is very straightforward. The problem the people face is in the learning outcome form. You should ensure that all the questions that are asked in the learning outcome form should be filled properly. There should not be even a single question that should be left uncovered. Otherwise, GDC will most likely to reject your application. And if I'm saying this, you can do it completely by yourself. You don't need anyone's help to complete this form of application. So I will say do it yourself. And to fill the learning outcome form, the first thing that you will be needing is the BDS syllabus book. And one bonus that adds to your form is if you have cleared the ORE or LDS Part 1 exam. Get the blueprint of the syllabus. For your assistance, I have provided the link in the description box below, so that's make your work a bit easier. You also have to do the CPD courses. Now, how to decide which CPD course to do? So the answer is answer all the question of the learning outcome form. The question that is asked in the learning outcome form, search the topic in your BDS curriculum or syllabus book. If it is covered in your BDS syllabus book, then that topic is covered and you don't have to do that CPD course. The things that are missing in your BDS syllabus, that topic has to be covered, and that topic is the topic that you have to do the CPD course for. And if you still don't get it what topics that you should choose for CPD course, for your assistance I will provide the list of courses in the description box below. And it is not important for you to do all the courses that are listed. Just check in your BDS syllabus book that are not covered and do it as per your requirement. The most important part is basically you need to show where in your career you have gained the acquired and the required knowledge and the skill on the question being asked in the learning outcome form. Like the question is asked to check the sign of child abuse and neglect. So open up your syllabus book, search on which subject it could be, and if that is covered in that subject in your syllabus book, then you don't have to do that CPD course. And make sure it is covered, and then note it down, and make sure that you answer all the questions correctly. And there is also an additional training column in which you can add the name of the doctor and the reference letter, and make sure that reference letter is a professional reference letter, and it also includes the duties of the learning outcome that you must have undertaken during your work period. The other things that can be included in the form are the CPD courses, RCS courses, and the good standing certificate. And make sure that the good standing certificate is not older than 3 months. So make sure you apply for it, and then you good standing certificate. When you are about to submit the application, you have the new good standing certificate with you. Have enough time before it expires. Professional work reference letter should be completed by your employees, and it should have in detail the duties that you have completed or you have done during that time period. Consequently, you can complete your learning outcome form on the basis of the duties that you have mentioned in here. And one very important thing that you have to include in your professional letter is that it should have a non-violent consent, that before doing the work on the treatment on the patient, you should have a consent of that particular patient. Make sure that you mention this thing in your professional reference letter, as it is very, very, very important. So you can include this as an evidence in your learning outcome form. And the main thing, once you submit your application to the GDC will be connected to you via email. And this process of application might take about 3 to 4 months. And one very important thing, make sure to make a checklist of the documents that you are submitting, that you have to submit to the GDC. So before submitting, make sure that you have seen and checked that you have included all the documents in this application, or else your application might get delayed. And your BDS syllabus book should be a certified copy. Now you must be thinking, how would you do that? Your BDS syllabus book is approximately of about 100 to 200 pages. So for it, you have to make a cover letter. And that cover letter should be signed by the authorized signature along with the stamp and the date of the college. And remember that the syllabus book should be numbered properly, and you don't miss any page of the syllabus book. Comment down below now if you want to know how you can write the cover letter for your syllabus book to get signed by the authorized person in your college and get it stamped, and that cover letter should be accepted in GDC. So if you want to know in detail, comment down below now. For the evidence of the English language, I have provided the link in the description box to check the evidence of English that can be accepted by the GDC. You can also attach the ORE or LDS syllabus prints, and I have provided the link in the description box below, so you can go and check it out for reference. Well, for you to just know that this route is open for now, but there are increasing concern about this route as many of the dentists are applying for it. So things might change in future. So before applying, just get onto it and know the details and know the things that are best for you. So there might be some manual changes in the application process, so look into it before you go for it. And if you follow my guidance, I am hopeful that you may get registered in GDC and you can work as a dental care professional in UK. Sometimes GDC require you to gain some extra training if they are not convinced by your experience and the knowledge that you have acquired. So I will recommend you to give the best shot in the first time and making sure that your application is up to mark. Wishing you all the very best for your future, and I hope this video is helpful to you in any way. If it is helpful, then don't forget to share it with your friends and family. And if you like the video, then don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and be the Dento Magic family. Happy New Year! Stay tuned till the next video. Till then, stay safe, be happy. Allah Hafiz.